In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up online banking with Regions Mobile full tutorial. We'll start right on the bank's website. From the main navigation, hover over the checking and savings menu. In the dropdown, move to banking services, then choose online and mobile banking. On that page, select online banking to see the details and features. When you're ready, click enroll in online banking. This takes you to the secure enrollment form. If your screen looks a little different, don't worry. Layouts change from time to time, but the wording will be similar. Just follow the links related to online or mobile banking enrollment. Next, you'll provide identification information so the system can match you to your existing accounts. Be prepared to enter your full social security number and the phone number associated with your account. You'll also indicate what kind of account you want to enroll, such as a checking or savings account. Finally, enter the email address the bank has on file for you. Make sure everything you type matches your bank records exactly. Small differences in spelling or formatting can cause verification issues. For your privacy, only complete these steps on the official site, on a device you trust, and over a secure internet connection. After your identity is confirmed, you'll create your login credentials. Choose an online banking ID, sometimes called a username. That's easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. Then create a strong password. Aim for a long password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid personal details that others might know. Consider using a reputable password manager so you don't have to reuse passwords elsewhere. If the site provides guidelines on length or character types, follow them carefully to avoid errors. Before finishing, you'll see the online banking service agreement. Take a moment to read through the terms so you understand how online banking works, including responsibilities, security practices, and any service limitations. When you're comfortable, select I accept or enroll to complete the registration. It's a good idea to save or print a copy of the agreement for your records. Once enrolled, you can sign in with the credentials you just created and begin managing your accounts online and in the mobile app. That's it. You've enrolled in online banking and are ready to bank digitally with confidence. If anything doesn't match your records or you encounter a verification error, simply review your entries and try again, or use the help options on the enrollment page. Thanks for watching and happy banking.